Have you ever noticed that when you're in your car on road and reach a junction of four roads where traffic is controlled by traffic lights, if the road coming from your right side has green light, the rest three roads are shown red light, which means while the people on the road to your right are free to move in any direction, you and all the other people have to wait. After some time, when the green light at your right road turns red, the road in front of you gets green signal, but the other three have red. This process carries on in a circular manner one by one, and after waiting for three roads, you get your turn. The problem this produces is that you have to wait a lot and it takes more time. And to save themselves from this time consumption, people break traffic rules and the traffic flow becomes unsmooth. One of the solutions to this problem is using queues. Remember first in, first out? Exactly that. Now let me show you a simple demonstration that we made on Turbo C++ to this solution. Here we have four roads, namely R1, R2, R3 and R4. The arrows show you the flow of traffic control at every instance. All the important details are displayed on the right. The signal shown here is the signal of the active road. The name of the active road is shown against it. And below that is the flow of traffic description. Time elapsed is keeping track of how much time each road gets green signal. We've kept that as 30 seconds. In the box below that, we are showing how to apply circular cues to solve this problem. The front and rear pointers are pointed at the active road and the road that will wait for all the other roads to complete their turn and then get active. Suppose at this time R2 is at front and is active road, same time R1 is at rear and after 30 seconds R3 gets at front and R2 gets at rear. Here the people on the road R3 are free to move in any direction and the people on the road R2 can only move to their left, while the people on R1 and R4 roads have to wait. After 30 seconds, the front and rear pointers change their place. Now, R4 is at front and R3 is at rear. R4 gets green signal and people there can move in any directions and people in R3 can move to their left. At the same time, R1 and R2 road sees red signal. This goes on in a circular manner where front and rear pointers keep changing their position after every 30 seconds. Every road that gets green signal is allowed to move in any direction and at the same time the road before it in the queue is allowed to move in only left direction. This way traffic flow is smooth and at the same time we are taking less time as compared to the previous solution. This project and video is brought to you by Divya, Gaurav, Dheeraj and Shreyas from Computer Science A section, Ramya Institute of Technology. Thank you.